Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Adrenaline. Adrenaline. Hello, dear friends. So this is March 23rd, Sunday. And I got a ticket to come to San Francisco to the sale SP. It was such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Oh, it makes me want to cry. It's so beautiful. San Francisco. Oh, it's heavenly. It's heavenly. Beautiful street, clean, and the blue sky, a very light cloud, and the very unique Queen Anne style little buildings, housing. Oh, it's I have never seen San Francisco, not never. I have seen San Francisco in such a beautiful light, but after a long winter, cold and windy, and suddenly come to San Francisco, bright sunshine, and there is zero wind when we first came, and just heavenly. When I see this unique building, unique architectural style, you cannot not to love. You cannot not to love San Francisco, right? It's so unique, so tasty and stylish, and it's a combination of different style, different people, different characters, and you feel freedom, fresh air, and just so good. Anyway, so we arrived at sales SP. This is called sale SP, sailing sale. I am sailing, cross the sea, stormy water, to be near you, to be
a nice intimate group.
An intimate group, yeah. Feel free to pick this stuff up. Yeah, like you're. Yeah, it's very light. Yeah, I mean, since you're here, let's start over here. So these are some of the construction, the materials that the boats are constructed out of. So pretty the prop here. So you want everything to be. This is an aluminum honeycomb, and then they use different types of carbon fiber that they'll laminate on the outside. And that just kind of gives
So that's
you an
what the
idea of
whole
that's like.
boat is made of.
Yeah.
And when you hold that, you're gonna go, wow, it's incredibly light.
Yeah.
The idea is to make everything as light as possible so it can get up out of. So what the wing trimmer is doing is it is giving it shape. It's turning it into a soft sail, sort of. So it's giving it camber. So it's turning the sail, like imagine the wind's coming from you guys and it's pushing onto me. They don't want to go that way. It's gonna like spill off all the wind. They give the camber to this side, and then when we go to look at the actual boat, you'll see that each segment.
Well, let me tell you a little bit about the different components and different parts of the boat here. So first and foremost, let's talk about the wing. So when we're in the simulator and the props room there, you guys saw
all the actuators and all the movements of all the foils, etc. We have sim engineers who build the simulator, which is running in the terminal lounge next door, and data analysts who look after all the data. So we have a huge amount of data coming off the boat in real time, so 3,500 data points a second per boat.
So we are lucky that that day we got some introduction. I think this is the big company sponsor it. It's Oracle. and we got a special pass, VIP pass, so that we get to see some behind the scene. And these two people, the man is Andrew, and the lady is, her name is Molly. They are world champion, and they went to Olympic, and has been on the boat for a long time, and very experienced. And to see their love, their passion for the free air, for sailing, it's really very, very inspiring. And we got to see their communication center behind the scene. And at this launch, this is a special launch, and we got to meet the champion of that day. So sail, GP, yeah, sail, sailing, sail, G, Grand, P, Prix, Grand Prix of sail. And yeah, here, look at it. So between the preparation time, between the match, there are some of these water activities. These are very young people. They are, I have seen some of them are only 12 years old, something like it. They were flying and jumping with this little, oh, this is so very cool. Oh, and it's such a wonderful, wonderful time. Fall down. Yeah. And sail, GP, is a sailing competition. It's a little bit smaller boat than American Cup, and the goal is to promote sailing and allow young people to sail. Anyway, this is something that is very, very much out of my world. I am always seasick, and when I sail I usually sit on the boat and other people does the job, but in the water, to see the machine, to see the human intelligence, human power, human ability manipulate the very rough sea, to conquer and overcome nature is really very, very interesting and empowering. And we were lucky enough, we even went to chase the boat when they were doing the boat sail, because this is a special a program, so we got to be behind the scene and see the boat in the middle of chasing. Of course, we were not on the track. We were away from the track, but we chased it. And our little motorboat at the speed of 50 miles per hour. It was just so very, very cool. Yeah, I just do not know very much about it, so I do not have a very good explanation of it, but it's just so beautiful. And there was some food and catering service, and this tomato sauce, it's so good. I think it's a sun-dried tomato, maybe some grilled poivron, and it inspired me to try it. Some pita chip, and the pita chip is like a cracker, but not so, a little bit harder, a little bit more crispier. Everything was wonderful, wonderful. Oh, they are starting to have the competition, and each time 10 or around 10 or more teams, and helicopter rowing on top of it, and oh, look at the boat. They are so very fast. And there is no engine. There is no engine. Only nature power. So their slogan is Sail GP, powered by nature. It is powered by nature, nothing else. There is no machine, there is no electric. There are some skills and equipment, but mostly the real maneuver is powered by human force. Anyway, such a wonderful time. I wish you have a beautiful, beautiful day, and enjoy sunshine, enjoy every day. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, this is such a bad explanation for such a fantastic day.
Is right there on the right, and she is the strategist for the Kiwis, and she's an under-23 World Championships, and she's won the Red Bull for your generation.
Okay, let's move on to our two new teams as well. So
Final in the last two sail GPs of seasons, and driver Pete Early won Olympic gold medal, and not two, but three America's Cup.
including last September, October time over in Barcelona.
Olympic golds do you have?
Not in sailing,
Oh.
in chatting out loud.
Okay, yeah, that's why we're here on the mice, not out there on the water. They were a settled crew, but they lost wing trimmer Kyle Langford to Red Bull Italy. But they brought in Chris Draper, and it's been going well. And they also have, they have Josh Ryan.
Oh my! Oh, so cool!
You can see the boats jostling. They're all sailing over that side, and then we're going to see them all starting to turn back and coming back towards the start. The start line is between the two reds, which are sort of off to this right-hand side. This is real, isn't it? We're like, that's what you want to. It's sad. We just watched Gavin Brady's football off, you know, like on my NFL analogy.
Their hearts must be shattered.
Push the gas pedal.